How to kiss a girl and not ruin it. So you finally might get that kiss from that special someone, but now you have to figure out how to not ruin the moment. The key is to be confident, and having a plan can help you do this. Read on to get some tips for how to give a great kiss and not ruin it. Steps. 1. Prepare for the big moment. You want to go for a subtle, attractive approach. Make sure your breath smells nice, you're appropriately dressed, and you've chosen the right location. Check your breath frequently and avoid eating strong foods such as garlic, onions, tomatoes, etc. If you're worried, have a breath mint or two. As for dress, it doesn't really matter as long as your shirt doesn't have some suggestive slogan on it. Don't forget to moisturize your lips. If you forget, a quick lick of the lips before the kiss ought to suffice. Choose a romantic place without too many people. To make your kiss more intimate, it's probably best to choose a place away from friend groups or large crowds. 2. Show the girl you care. Let her know you are interested and care about what she is saying. Nod every now and then and try actually paying attention. It helps. Touch her arm gently or her knee closest to you. Mind though that sudden movements or loud noises will scare away the kitten you have spent good time coaxing over to you. Try touching her hand. Don't poke it, just lay yours on top of it to say you care. 3. Be confident. Don't get too cocky, but keep your mind on everything that could go right. Don't focus on what if I, or what if she. In other words, focus on the good. 4. Find the perfect moment. Look deeply into her eyes, and if she gives you a look of confusion or backs away, just tell her something romantic or cute like "I'm sorry, your eyes are just so beautiful." Or "Do your eyes always shine like that? They're like stars," and try again later. 5. Kiss her. If she didn't back away at the previous step, you've got the go-ahead. Find an excuse to touch her face or chin and be sure to sit close to her. Physical contact helps, but you want to avoid touching obvious areas like the breast or butt. Find some way to get your hand and face close to hers, move in slowly, leaving her room to either reject or accept. Make the first kiss a soft peck, and if she likes it, you will be able to tell. Try again, this time a bit longer of a kiss. Tips. Have fresh breath. Have fun. Girls are less durable than guys. Be gentle but strong. Try to give full comfort to the girl. Be reasonable. Warnings. If she pulls away, don't force a kiss on her. Try to do this in private, but a bed sends the wrong message.